paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Why don't we make a beautiful canvas today? Alright Bubbles, let's go! Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. For this, we will require a canvas, acrylic paints and sponge. Now, let's take red color. Now, let's take red color in our sponge and start dabbing on top of our canvas. We will make sure that we do a darker color first and then a lighter color. Now, let's take the same sponge and dip it in orange color. And now, let's overlap on top of the red and start painting. Yes, we will make sure that we only dab on top of the canvas and not paint like a paintbrush. Let's dab the orange color properly. Now, let's take another piece of sponge and take yellow color in that. And then, let's merge orange and yellow color. This activity is so much fun. Now, it's time for us to take some more yellow color and then dab it below. Let's dab it together. This looks great. Now we see a line between orange and yellow color. Why don't we dab a fresh sponge on it and get rid of the line? Well, this looks beautiful. Let's take some more orange color and dab it once again. The shading looks perfect. Make sure that you keep a tissue paper below it so that the table is not spoiled. Now you can take some red color and do the touch-up. Once we are done with this, we will let it dry. And now, it's time for us to take a fresh pencil and start making dots with whichever color you like. Now, we can start from the corner first. You can try creating whichever design you want. We can have dots on top of one another or even make beautiful flowers. Let's try making flowers. We will make one dot in the center and many dots around it. Let's repeat the same thing by keeping a little gap or distance between two flowers. Isn't this interesting? This looks beautiful. Now let's try and complete the entire canvas in the similar way. Let's make half a flower here. Lovely! Finally, let's make one at the corner. This looks great, isn't it? And our canvas is ready. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Stay tuned for our next video.